Hi guys, good morning. This is Lee Strachan once again from Organic Artisan Lab Corporation. And what I've got here, another emulsion. Remember, we're not yet finished with Module 9, Part 2. So that's Part 1 and Part 2. I've given you the Part 1. Now we're going to talk about Part 2. This is an advanced series, another advanced series of an emulsion. What I have here is my heating element. It's just an ordinary stove that you can purchase from the supermarket or to the shop, from the shop. And then I'm warming it now for my, let me just check if it's working. I'm warming it now for my, let me check. Yeah, it's working. So I'm into medium high. Let's do the medium high. I'm warming it now for my phase A. Okay, at this time you should be familiar with our phases. So we've got here phase A's in here, and then my phase B and my phase C. So and then phase D will be to adjust our pH. So what I'm going to do is something to do with our formulary that I will give you as a freebie. So I'm just giving you like a something similar to it. I'm just giving you like the method and how we will do it, so that you will refresh your memory, because we haven't done anything for a while and haven't got time to give you, not time, but I think Facebook is getting hard to use these days with regards to doing a live chat, because there's a lot of things that I need to fix and I can't do it. I'm not very techy, guys, so sorry about that. So what I'm gonna do is a really nice type of conventional type of night cream that not only boosts our skin glowing, the glowing of the skin or skin glow, but will also give us some skin bleaching or the skin lightening, which will work for those who have pigmentations of the skin, discolorations of the skin because of pimples and so on. So what I have here, I've got all the phase A's in here. I've got the water part, of course. I've got natural humectants on phase A. I've got all the actives that needs to be dissolved onto phase A, on the liquid part of phase A. I've got niacinamide in here. You know, niacinamide, vitamin B3 is my favorite. It gives really good skin boosting, skin glow, skin lightening. It takes care of the wrinkles and fine lines. It's a good anti-aging ingredient, and it's a fair priced. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just combine everything here. Okay, the biggest portion is niacinamide or vitamin B3. So you're probably wondering what this is. For those who doesn't have a strong chemical background, this is called okay, I forgot. So I mentioned about this last time, and this watch glass. Yeah, watch glass. So let me just grab my blender, my whisk, to help me dissolve these. See me doing this. I'm sanitizing my materials using my all-purpose sanitizing solution. So all you have to do, I'm gonna do the medium. Okay, and while doing this, I'll go ahead and add in the next one. So this is allantoin. So allantoin serves as our anti-irritation. So it helps the skin adapt to the high amount of active, and it'll not give you, at least prevent too much reddening of the face, too much of the flushing because of the high amount of niacinamide in the formula. So what else do I have here? I've got alpha arbutin. Yeah. So I've got arbutin in the formula to give us the to help with the skin discolorations and melasma. Let me just call VR because I need my temperature controller. Oh, here. No need because I have it here. Check the temperature. So we're warming our phase A up to 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, then let's add in our other powdered ingredients. We've got our allantoin, and also last is our preservation. We'll be using sodium benzoate here. You may also use potassium sorbate. However, I don't like, as I was always saying, I don't like that, like a fishy smell that is giving the cream or even any serums that I use. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna add this now. I've also added my polyurethane, my polymer onto phase A. The polymer will give me the effect of xanthan gum to help stabilize our emulsion, and also will give us a little bit of that thickness that I want. What I want to achieve here, guys, is a very thick formula that absorbs pretty quick. So it's like the consistency of a body butter, a thick body butter, but ooh, it's getting hot. 35. Alright, so let me just check the powders are all dissolved. You can now, and then I'm just gonna add our humectants here. Let me get all this here. And we can now add phase B. Remember, if you've got less oil, you can add phase B here and wait for it to. So our phase B is composed of emulsifiers and waxes. I've got beeswax in here, and I've got stearic acid and blended emulsifier on the first one, and another natural humectant to go with. So this is an oil. This is lipid. Sorry about that. So we've got the emulsifiers and the oils in the formula that we will wait to dissolve like a milky consistent solution, and then we'll proceed with homogenizing. So while doing this, you can go ahead and do this because it'll help with dissolving your phase B. Let me check the temperature. 46 degrees Celsius. Alright, so let me just put you on hold for a little bit. So I'll have to cut this video for a while, and then I'll come back once all our phase B's are dissolved, and then I'll show you the next step.